If a speaker only moves forward and backwards, how can it reproduce all the frequencies at once? Let's consider how a sound wave works. Air is an elastic medium, meaning it returns to its initial shape when it's no longer acted upon. A speaker pushes and pulls the air molecules, crashing them into one another, resulting in a domino effect, which is what creates the sound wave. Eventually, that sound wave reaches your eardrum, and your brain recognizes it as sound. You could almost say hearing is just a form of motion detection. While we often see waves simply represented as a wavy line, in reality, sound waves are three-dimensional areas of high and low pressure. When we turn the volume up, the speaker pushes harder, sending more intense waves through the air. A sound wave's pushing force is its amplitude. To make high or low sounds, the speaker vibrates faster or slower. The wave rate is its frequency measured in hertz. In music terms, this would be its note pitch. If you remember from my sampling rate video, we mentioned how the agreed upon range of human hearing is from 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Now that's a lot of available frequency range to work with. High frequencies ride on the back of bass waves to reproduce an entire orchestra in one impossibly complex unified waveform. Sometimes you can have one speaker faithfully represent the full sound spectrum, like headphones for example. But in a room, bass gets much more difficult to reproduce to get the sound wave to reach from the woofer to your ear. This is where crossovers come into play, and how speakers can be designed to hand off the frequencies to better suited drivers. This is where two-way and three-way systems enter, where you can have a woofer and a tweeter in a two-way design, or a woofer and a mid-range and a tweeter in a three-way design, all working together to faithfully reproduce the original signal. And that's how a speaker works.